Okay, this trade will cover now. So the short that we decided not to take is now officially covered and is down 115 bucks. So we saved ourselves $115 by not blindly following the strategy, and now we are in long on this dip, right? Oops. Now we are in long. Once again, hey, do not fight the trend. Yes, this is our first trade of the day, but we've already made a $115 decision to not short this candle. So nice. First trade of the day here at 10:17. We are down slightly immediately, but we'll see. SPY is another strong day on the markets. As you guys, I was kind of talking through Twitch, sorry, but for YouTube, yes, like this was a short candle, right? It's below the 15 EMA and 10 cents below the green line. This is a short candle, but I didn't take it. As you all know, if you've been watching my videos lately, I've been talking about how I'm not shorting into the SPY trend. The trend right now is too strong up. I don't want to fight against that. So the decision to not take this trade has saved me $115 this morning, because that right here is where that just covered. And now we're taking the first long, the first dip that is longable. Once again, above the 15 EMA and 10 cents below the price range. So here we go. We're not up $115, but we've made a $115 saving decision. That's just as good as being up $115, right? Not taking the trade that would have had us down that much. We are down 20 in this trade. Let me get my day P&L. Oh, this won't work because I'm trading from this screen. Whatever. You guys can see it here good enough, I think. How much I'm up or down. Can you guys on Twitch, how good can you see these numbers right here? Like, can you see my P&L on the day? Now at $28 down? I get that they're small. Hopefully you can see them good enough. Well enough. No, it could be bigger. That's what she said. What? Sorry. Yeah, I have my P&L, my day P&L thing, but it's set up to capture... Oh no, wait, never mind. This should work. It is set up to capture the screen. If I do this... If I adjust it... There. Put this over here. There. Now you guys can see that, right? There you go. Production quality on how much money I'm losing this trade so far. Alrighty. Down. Ooh, do I stop below the 45 RSI? Stop loss is okay, no, stop loss is 40 RSI, okay. No, stop loss is 35 RSI, I believe. Why can I never remember this? I guess luckily I haven't been getting stopped out of enough trades lately. Stop loss is 40 RSI, okay. So if it closes below the 40 RSI, we get stopped out of this trade for a loss. All right. Well, we saved ourselves $115 short by not shorting this, but looks like we're going to lose 60 to 70 bucks in this trade. Hey, better than losing 115 here and then losing 60 here, right? Oh, man. SPY, strong all morning, finally gives you a dip to buy, and now it wants to be a real pullback, I guess, but it is what it is. You guys know, if you've been watching me trade, you guys know this strategy doesn't do very well when SPY is rippy, like the straight up, straight down type movement. This strategy does not do very well on, but that's not typically how SPY trades, right? SPY is typically much more range bound, so the strategy typically does well. Of course, there's going to be times where the price action doesn't work perfectly and you're going to lose money then. As long as you're making money on the over time on what's typically happening, you're okay. And hell, we're not out of this trade yet. We've recovered from worse positions. We've recovered from worse positions before. We'll see. But yeah, when SPY gets this like straight up, straight down, rippy type moves, you know, this strategy does not perform as well. But once again, that's not the usual price action on SPY. SPY is not usually straight up, straight down rippy. That's why this strategy works over time. Oh, it's the first trade of the month. Oh, the first trade of the month can't be red. Maybe starting off the month red. We were profitable in July. Not very profitable. I did take a week off in July, obviously. Well, maybe not obvious, but my son was born July 10th. So, obviously, I didn't trade a lot in July. I took a week off, and even the days I traded, I only traded the open because I had a newborn son I was spending time with. So, we were green. We made a couple $100 in July. First trade of August, not starting out so well. But we'll see. Hey, not stopped out yet, and we're getting a candle over candle here, maybe. Nah, wants to reject. Wants to reject. I didn't realize he was still that itty bitty. Yep, yesterday was his, no, not yesterday. Saturday was his, he's been alive for 3 weeks. He's existed for 3 weeks now. My baby girl's about to be 6 months. Nice. I'm excited for him, to all the phases we're about to go through. Crawling, teething, smiling. Smiling is like the first stage, coming up relatively soon. When do they start smiling? We already say he's kind of smiling sometimes, but it's probably just gas, Yeah, smiling, crawling, obviously all the stages that babies go through. Excited about it. Okay, hey, here we go. Oh, we didn't get stopped out. We're only down $35 now. We've recovered from worse. We've recovered from worse. Let's see. Not that I have anything to do about it. Once again, that's something else I try to harp home, is that, like, I can't control any of this, right? I've had people unironically get mad at me because I get off topic or, like, talk about other stuff while I'm in a trade. It doesn't... Me talking about SPY or focusing on SPY... You can't control the outcome of a trade, right? All you can do is get in where you're supposed to and out where you're supposed to. That's all you can control. So, like, don't freak out and stress out about the outcome of trades. Did you get in where you're supposed to? Did you get out where you're supposed to? Okay, good, man. Like, I know exactly what I'm supposed to get out of this trade, so that's all I'm waiting for now. That's it. That's all I'm supposed to do. I can't make SPY go up. Go up, SPY. Meditation. People focus so much, and like that's why they have such a fear of losing, and that's why they freak out when they lose money or get way too excited when they make money, because they focus on the outcome of trades too much. You have nothing to do with whether you make or lose money in one trade. Now you have something to do with whether you make or lose money over time, but that's on your strategy and if you're following your strategy correctly, right? You have nothing to do with are you going to make or lose money in the next trade you take. Nothing to do with that. Unfortunately, I wish you could. I wish you could will money into your account. That'd be nice. Unfortunately, it's not how it works. If you ain't locked in and ain't going your way, yeah, I know. It's oh my God, Trey, focus, Trey. Right now we're at the stage where she just screams. She's not mad, happy, but just screaming. That's a fun stage. It's a fun baby stage. See, the meditation works? Nope. See, I started meditating. We've rolled it all back over. Yeah, SPY's weak here. We're gonna get stopped out. Oh, maybe unfortunate we didn't get stopped out on that candle. I might have liked to sell that candle because it kind of looks like it wants to come down more now. But what did I just say? Get out where we're supposed to get out. I willed myself $1 million. Yeah, right. Yeah. Focus, Trey. Focus. Yeah, just don't worry about the outcome of your trades, especially the outcome of the current trade, right? Who gives a shit? You shouldn't. Well, the answer to that question is too many people. You shouldn't give a shit about the outcome of one trade. It doesn't matter. You should care about how much money did you make last month? How much money have you made in the last 12 months? Like, that's what you can control via optimizing a strategy. You can't make every trade win though. Like we're learning about this actually. You know, Mark Douglas actually talks about this a lot, the psychology of trading. We're learning about that currently. He's kind of what he's talking about right now in the series, the Mark Douglas series we're running on YouTube as well. Yeah, like I said, I kind of would have liked to get stopped out on this candle because it just looks like it's going lower, but we weren't supposed to, so we didn't. Alrighty. We saved ourselves $115 by not getting short here, but it looks like we might lose $80, $90 in this trade. Alright, nice. Better than being $250 down on the day if we took both the trades, I guess, but... Huh? We're back above the 40 RSI. We're gonna lose money no matter what in this trade at this point because the green line is now at 411.79, 20 cents below where we got in. But if we can only lose $10 in this trade, I'd be stoked. It's not gonna happen. We're about to get stopped out. Yep, we are. Alrighty, we lose $83 in the first trade of the month. Big Sag. SPY straight up, straight down. Once again, we know the strategy does not perform very well straight up, straight down, but once again, we know this is not normal price action on SPY. So we accept it, and we move on.